Well, good morning, virtual friend. I'm so excited to be here with you again. Today we are going to learn and fill our little brains with new information. Listen, I want to tell you something. Yesterday I went to the movies with my family to see a very funny movie. I loved it because there were lots of special effects and exciting scenes. It was about dinosaurs. It was amazing. We ate popcorn and drank soda and had a great time. Best of all, I got to share that moment with the people I love most in the world. And when I got home, I was so curious that I asked FlexFlix GPT to give me some fun facts about dinosaurs. And look, he gave me some great facts. I am going to read you some of them. 1. Dinosaurs lived on Earth millions of years ago and were giant animals. 2. The largest known dinosaur is Argentinosaurus. It could be as big as a five-story building. 3. Some dinosaurs had feathers like birds. 4. Velociraptors was small but very fast. They fought in groups like wolves. 5. Some dinosaurs ate plants with sharp teeth, and others had flat teeth for grinding food. Very interesting, don't you think, folks? I'm actually very excited about dinosaurs. Hey, changing the subject. You know what? A few days ago, while I was camping with my family, I noticed that when the sun goes down, it starts to get dark and the moon appears. And that's when several questions came to my mind. Why does this happen? Why can't we see the sun and the moon at the same time? And that's why today I want to learn more about these two stars with all of you, to better understand how the universe works. Now guys, don't presume because this is just the beginning. Later on, we're going to use a cool artificial intelligence. It's called Runway. And with it, you can create videos of anything you can think of. You just type in what you want, and it does it. But don't be anxious. It's going to be a while yet. Now, before we learn about the sun and the moon, it's important that we know how the shadows they generate work. You know, when you're playing outside and suddenly the sun covers a part of your body, that's because the sun is moving. This is very important to learn because it will help us understand how the sun and the moon interact with our planet and why they change position during the day and night. So, to pay close attention so that together we can learn more about our solar system. Well, now we do. Let's watch the FlexFlix video that I looked up to learn more about this topic. Let me look it up. Look, here it is. This is the one we needed. Let's watch it and learn together.
What can you see if you look into the sky, children? Well, it depends. During the day, we can see the sun, and at night, we can see the moon and the stars. Very good.
Sure.
But did you know that there are lots of other things in the sky? Yes. Yeah, Mom and I read a book about the space and the planets. Uh-huh, right. Can anybody tell me what else is there besides planet Earth, the sun, the moon, and the stars? There are other planets, meteors, and comets. That's right. Yes. Which is the nearest star? Yes. No, there are many. Yes, it's true. But there is one that is the closest of all, and we can see it every day. The sun. Is the sun a star?
Wow.
Yes, it is. The sun, the same as the rest of stars, is a heavenly body formed of gas, which is extremely hot. It's like light and gas. Yes. Having the gas lighted in the heater. Yes. Whenever we light the gas at home, what comes out from the fire? Yes. Heat. Yes. Very good. Yes. If everything is dark, what happens? It also emits light.
Sure. Wow.
Very good. The sun sends out light and heat. The earth goes round the sun, and as it does so, it rotates too. The moon also sends out light, but not heat. What's that? Yeah, that's because the moon is not a star. Yeah, a natural satellite. It means that it's a heavenly body that goes round a planet. In this case, our planet, the Earth. The light the moon has got, in fact, comes from the sun, which lightens it. Yeah, we can see the reflected light, but the heat does not reach us.
Wow. I think understanding the sun and the moon is important because it helps us understand the world we live in, It's like a giant puzzle that we put together with each thing we learn. And when we understand how the sun and the moon work, we can understand why there are longer or shorter days, why it is warmer or colder, and many other things. By learning about the sun and the moon, we can better understand our surroundings and how everything works, don't you think? What surprised me the most learning about the sun and the moon is that they are not the same. The sun is always shining and giving warmth, while the moon only shines at night. And while the moon doesn't give us warmth, it does help us understand night and day. Isn't it amazing how the universe works? Can you imagine what would happen if one day the sun and moon decided not to come out? Hey, let's ask FlexFlix GPT to help us imagine this situation. Hold on, I'm going to open our magic notebook again. Remember that to use it, you must have downloaded the app from your smartphone or tablet. Okay, I'm going to put, "Hello, chat. Today I was learning about the sun and the moon. I thought I'd ask you to help me think up an imaginary situation in which either the sun or the moon decided not to go out one day. Let's see. Let's wait for the answer. You can ask him the same question, friends, and see what he answers." Oh, there he answered. I'm going to read. Of course I am. Imagine a day when the sun decides not to rise. The earth is plunged into darkness, affecting plant and animal life. Or if the moon does not rise, the tides are altered and the night becomes darker, generating confusion and fear in people. Both situations would have a significant impact on the earth. I hope you found this interesting. Is there anything else I can help you with? Well, wow. How awesome! Thank you, FlexFlix GPT. Well, we've been learning a lot about this topic together, but imagine how much we can learn if we use artificial intelligence tools. Join me on this adventure, and let's see together what we can discover. But before we move on, I want to tell you something important, folks. Remember that artificial intelligence is a very powerful tool that can help us in many aspects of life. But we must always use it responsibly and respectfully, and with the help of an adult. Now let's move on. As I told you before, I would like us to use Runway, which, as I told you, can be used to make videos of anything you can imagine. You know what I would love to ask for? A sunrise, like the one I saw with my family when we went camping. Okay, let's go to the Runway website. Okay, once we're here, we're going to log in, either with our email or our parents' email. Okay. Now we're going to hit start generating. And here we are going to write a very beautiful sunrise where the moon hides and the sun rises. Very good. And we hit generate. And now let's see the result, friends. All we have to do is wait. Wow, let's see. Wow. Look how beautiful. It turned out amazing. Folks, try this tool yourselves and upload your results to FlexFlix Shorts to become content creators like me. Okay, folks, we've come to my favorite moment of the stream. It's time for our fabulous FlexFlix trivia. It will be an opportunity to demonstrate what we learned today. So get ready to answer the questions and show off everything you know. Let's get started. What is the sun? A star, an asteroid, or a planet? The sun is a star. I learned that today. That's right. Okay, folks, well done. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the moon? Natural satellite, asteroid, or star? I don't think it was a star, but I think it's a natural satellite. That's right. All right, folks, well done. Okay, let's go to the last one. I'm ready. Why do we see stars as dots? Do they have no light of their own? Are they too small? Or are they too far away? It must be because they're too far away. That's right. All right, folks, well done. Wow, great trivia, folks. I had a lot of fun. Now, our brains are really full of new knowledge. Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep, guys, because I'm really, really tired. But thanks for linking to my stream. I love spending time with you. Oh, before I say goodbye, I want to remind you to download the FlexFlix app from your smartphones or tablets so you can access FlexFlix GPT and the rest of the content. Now we're talking! See you next time, my friends. I love you so much. Bye.